Brief, accurate and important news of today's Monday. The acting Minister of Mines and Petroleum says the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan will not hesitate to cooperate in the implementation of the TOPI project because the security situation is good and the conditions are suitable for the implementation of this project. Maulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the administrative deputy to the Prime Ministry, told the nation at the end of the Government Accountability Program that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is committed to freedom of expression. He added that no one has the right to take revenge after the general apology. Dr. Sharif Zaman, spokesperson of the Ministry of Public Health, says in the past 2 years over 200 doctors have been sent to foreign countries for training. Mullah Khairullah Khairkhwa, the Minister of Information and Culture, told the public meeting under the title of Prosperous People and Responsible System that the enemies of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan never want an independent and cooperative system in Afghanistan. They made schemes against the system, but the Afghans should stay by the system and thwart their conspiracies. Qari Fasihuddin Fitrat, the Chief of Staff of the country, told the public meeting in Takhar under the title of Prosperous Nation and a Responsible System that the people of Afghanistan have never asked to live under the rule of occupation and invaders. Honorable Fitrat also stated that Afghan nation has brought the invaders to their knees with their unity throughout the history. Mahmoud, a resident of Farah province, was announced as the first position holder in the 14-2 entrance exam. Kabul municipality says in the 5th district illegal establishment and obstacle on pedestrian roads were cleared.